Alright folks, how's it going out there? Rooster in Tennessee, got another video for you. Today we're looking at a radio, just sold it to a real good friend of mine, and it's a super nice condition, Harley Davidson Cobra 29. Maybe the cleanest one I've had. This thing is, man, it's in really good shape. It's got a 1969 final in it. He requested a 1969 final, and I'm going to ship him the original mic with it. I've got several of those things laying around here. I have to find one and throw it in the box with it when I ship it. But anyway, I just want to do this video for him and for some of you folks to see. Like I said, it's a super nice radio. Harley Davidson 29, one of my favorite models of 29s. And it does have a 1969 final in it. Gump's done all the work to it. You can see the white LED meter light. VFO wind-up is on the channel 9 switch. If it's up, the wind-up is on. Variable power is on the RF gain. It's got widened out receive. And it's got his transmit, I guess you want to call it peak and tune, whatever. Like I said, a lot of people with a radio that's doing what this one's doing, they'd call it a competition radio. I don't particularly like that because, you know, competition radio's got a bad rep for burning up. These radios don't burn up. However, they do compete each and every day on the radio. So let's get into it here. We'll show you what it's doing. 50 watt slug over here, 50 watt scale. We're looking at the middle scale. We're on average power. Our RF power is wide open. That's almost 8 watts, 9 watts. Hello. Audio. That hash mark is 12.5 right in between. Well, the hash mark would be 15 watts, I guess. Hello. Middle scale, middle scale, middle scale, middle scale. Right at 13 watts average, might be a little better. We'll come over here, we'll turn it all the way down just to show you how the power changes, if it changes at all. We're keyed now, we're keyed nothing. Audio slightly went down. Audio still about 12 watts average. Let's see. We'll leave that there. We'll go to peak. Peak hit's on. Hello, 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 hello. 50 watt scale, 50 watt scale. Audio, 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 audio. Almost 50 watts peak. Let's come over here and we'll turn this up halfway. Hello, 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 audio, 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 audio. Still right at 50. You could say a little bit more, I guess. And now we'll go wide open and see what it does. Hello, 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 audio, audio, audio. Now that's on 14.5 volts, audio, 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 2.5 amps. Like I said, that's on 14.5 volts. I tried it on my little supply, and it made about a watt difference average, and maybe 3 to 4 watts peak. Turn that peak kit off. I'll forget to leave that thing on. But that's it, Harley Davidson Cobra 29. Like I said, this one's going to a real good friend of mine. I'm glad he got it. That's the radio I didn't want to turn loose of, so but he's going to be getting a good one. Dang nice radio, and I think he'll like it a lot. I've got another one of these that we'll have ready soon. I don't know if it's quite as nice as this one is. I think it'll be in pretty good shape, but ones in this condition, man, they're damn hard to come by. All right, I hope you guys enjoy it. Catch you out there. 73s. Bye-bye.